Well, we're high desert. We get a swing of temperatures from hot in the summer to freezing cold in the winter, snow in the winter, rain in the summer. We get all our seasons here. So we wanted as durable as possible and as low maintenance as possible. So we went like fiber boards for the sidings, and I'd always been interested in metal roofs, so we shopped that out as well. When we built the house, aesthetics were a real big consideration for us. We spent a lot of money and time with an architect doing the design, and we wanted a roof that was going to enhance that. And we were all just thrilled with the way this roof came out. These aluminum shingles are wonderful. You can color them if you want. We just chose the basic aluminum look, factory look, and we just love it. Everyone loves it. People are stopping by our house all the time to take pictures. In northern Utah, along the Wasatch Front here, we're prone to very random, very intense canyon windstorms. And in our previous home, which we had for about 17 years, we would lose shingles all the time, and our neighbors were losing shingles. And so I wanted to look at, when we built this house, I wanted to look at metal roofs because they had a better reputation for longevity in those scenarios. Yeah, the installation process, I think, was really conducive with the home that we built, because we have so many gables and so many valleys, and the way metal shingles work, the way they start from the lower left-hand corner and everything links together and fans out from there, makes the trim process, and I think the fit process, really easy and really strong. We've been really happy with the way our roof has performed, especially here in northern Utah. Primarily, I mean, the snow is one thing, and these roofs, the one advantage or disadvantage, depending on how you view it, of these roofs is they shed snow really easily. So the roof's never holding snow because it's going to fly off pretty easy. And we've installed snow dams to slow that process down, and that's worked pretty well. But the real benefit we've seen is in the wind. We've had, a couple of years ago, 2 years ago, we had windstorms where we approached 100 mile an hour here at this location. There were shingles and roofing pieces all over our neighborhood, but we had not one single issue with our roof and had supreme confidence in it. I mean, it's rated to 160 miles an hour and performed really well. We've been thrilled with that. Yeah, we do get here in northern Utah, we get a good chunk of hail. We'll have lightning as well. We just had a big thunderstorm the other night. I haven't had any concern, we haven't had any damage to the roof or anything. We've had some pretty fierce hailstorms as well. When we do get pollen, and we've got these huge pine trees over here, and we get a lot of needles on our roof, the rain will bring them down. I do clean out the bottoms of the valleys where the pine needles accumulate, but that's no different than any other type of roof I'd own. The overall experience with this roof, well, I mean, 5 out of 5 stars, 10 out of 10, whatever you want to say. First, longevity, I'm never worried about it. I'm never going to worry about the performance of it. I've never had an issue with it, so I have no concerns. And I know it's a lifetime roof. That peace of mind is incredible, because we looked at like an architectural grade shingle, we looked at other shingling, we did look at standing seam. Cost-wise, this was much more affordable than an architectural grade shingle, and still has better longevity, and the look is amazing.